Hello, good morning students. So now it's time for us to begin with our today's fun sheet class. So class, as you have been knowing it since your first period, that today is 13th July 2021 and the day is Tuesday. We are all aware now that every Tuesday and Thursday we have our fun sheet class. Okay. So, what exciting we are going to do today? Today we are going to understand the beautiful colors, the beautiful world of colors. See class, whatever thing we have in this world is in some color, right? जो भी चीज है, fruits, there are so many different colors. Vegetables, again, either we have green, tomatoes are red, then we have capsicum again, that is red and yellow. So there are many colors everywhere. The very good example, or you can say a beautiful example I can give, is a rainbow. A rainbow, what is it? A band of 7 beautiful colors. And you know when this rainbow comes? It comes after the rain, where you have rain and sun together. Now the monsoon season is about to begin. So if you get a chance to see when it is raining also and even the sun is shining, just move out of your house and see a beautiful rainbow will be there in the sky. Birds, animals, clothes, whatever, everything in this world has a color, isn't it? So now even your books, your different books have different colors. Whatever food, chocolates we eat. So milk chocolates are white in color. Other chocolates are brown in color. Then we have candies, different flavors, different tastes. They have different colors, isn't it? Then we have a lot of water bottles, tiffin box, things that you bring to school. Your pencils, erasers, your dresses, your footwears, everything has a color, isn't it? So today we are going to understand this color. From where we get these colors is what we are going to learn today. See class, we have some primary colors. Primary colors matlab kuch basic colors we get, that is red, yellow, green and blue. So these are 4 basic colors we have, right? अब इन 4 प्राइमरी कलर्स को यूज करके, इनको मिक्स करके we make different more and more beautiful colors. See, for example, red. मैम के आई कार्ड में red color है. Then I have different colors in my dress. Some flowers are there. Then this is a brinjal. Again, it's purple in color. तो हम पर्पल कलर कैसे बनाते हैं? We mix different colors and we make purple color. Cloud, it's blue in color, gray in color. Blue color तो होता है. अब हमें gray चाहिए तो from where you will get? We mix different colors, we make a gray color. Okay? Then mango, yellow in color. We have water. अच्छा, you know very interesting fact. What is that? Water का कोई color नहीं होता. You know how? आपने कभी water देखा है? It's colorless. अब हम हमेशा water को blue क्यों करते हैं? Why we always color water in blue? Because our sky is blue. और जो water bodies होती हैं, like we have river, we have sea, we have ponds, उसमें क्या होता है? जो हमारा sky है, उसकी reflection दिखती है, isn't it? तो उसके color से वो हमें blue color का दिखता है. And this is why we do it in blue color. Otherwise, water is actually colorless. आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी how water is colorless and how we can turn this water in any color we want. Okay? So class, today we are going to learn how to make colors, how to make different colors using 2 colors. 2 primary colors को हम mix करके एक third color बनाएंगे. And you are going to enjoy this activity a lot. Okay? Now, one small guidelines for the parents. Parents, don't think कि जो work अब kids करने वाले हैं, it's gonna create a mess. No, it's not a mess. It's just how we take the things as. It's not a mess. It's what the children will learn when they will do. So to avoid that messiness, you can spread a waste cloth or a newspaper on the table. Make your wards wear the apron, because the watercolor or the poster color, they may spoil their uniform. Again, it will be a big task to wash again. So please make them wear the aprons. You can put a newspaper on the table under their books. So if any sort of spilling of water or color happens, things don't go messy. But if the things are getting messy, means the child is learning. Okay? So don't worry about mess, let them learn. So kids, today we are going to do work on book page number 33. Okay? And the things you need will be your poster color, then one brush and waste cloth. Clear? So these are the three things you need: poster color, brush, waste cloth. We are going to do work on book page number 33. So open your things, open your book and gather your things, and let's begin doing our work. Okay? So class, now when you will open page number 33 of your fun sheet book, you will find the topic of colors, right? So the very first thing that we are going to do is write today's date, that is 13th July 2021. And after writing your date, do mention classwork. Okay? So now you all should spread a newspaper on the table. I have not, because I know how to use these colors. So these are the colors, poster colors that I was talking of. You all must be having a box like this in your stationery. So today you are going to use these 4 colors. Now 4 colors, we have poster colors, then water, some brushes and a mixing plate. These are the things that you are going to use. Now see class, here it is given red plus yellow. So what you will do, you will first do red color in this circle and you will do yellow color in this circle. So let's take our red color, and before using these colors you have to mix them properly, because in पे ऊपर oil आ जाता है, ठीक है? So just mix them, shake them with your hand, mix it properly, and now the color is ready to use. So what you can do, just take a brush, wipe it off with the cloth like this. It should have very less water, and then just dip it in the color. और color में dip करने के बाद you'll take some color in this brush, and slowly you will put strokes like this. Clear? This is one way of doing the work. अभी मैम आपको एक और way बताएंगी, that will be more simple for you. So like this. Red color done. Now we will keep it aside. अब इसमें हमें कौन सा कलर करना है? येलो कलर. So what you will do, you will now again clean your brush, take this yellow color, shake it properly, and after that just dip your brush in this yellow color and apply that yellow color here like this. Color this circle using your yellow color. ये वाला काम होगा पोस्टर कलर से ही, because mixing of the colors can be done using these only. Now it is saying yellow plus red. अब हमें देखना है येलो और रेड को हम मिक्स करेंगे तो क्या आएगा. So just one drop of your yellow color like this in the mixing plate, and with that you will add one drop of red color also. And see class, like this we'll mix it properly, and wow, the magic is there. You got this orange color, isn't it? So what you will do after mixing red and yellow, we got orange color. अब देखिए इन दोनों सर्कल्स का जो पार्ट एक दूसरे को ओवरलैप कर रहा है, सिर्फ उतने ही पार्ट में आप अपना ऑरेंज कलर करेंगे. फॉर दैट यू विल कलर इट लाइक दिस. रेड एंड येलो विल मेक ऑरेंज कलर when they are mixing together like this. ठीक है. और वापस से what they are trying to say that when we have mixed red and yellow, तो अब आपको क्या करना है, इस वाले सर्कल में भी थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे रेड कलर दिखाना है करके आपको like this. क्लियर. और दूसरे में हमें कौन सा करना होगा, येलो, बिकॉज वी हैव मिक्स दीज टू कलर्स ओनली. कलर के ब्रश को हर बार वॉश करने के बाद यू हैव टू वाइप इट विद अ डम्प क्लॉथ. किसी बेकार कपड़े से उसको क्लीन करना है, अदरवाइज योर कलर विल स्प्रेड, फैल जाएगा पानी से. सो लाइक दिस वी हैव मिक्सड एंड गॉट अ न्यू कलर. We have mixed red and yellow and we got the orange color. So this is one way. Which is the other way? A very simple way. Again we need red and blue here. So what you will do? Simple. Just take your red color on the thumb like this. It's a very different activity, fun activity. You can do it in this way also. पूरा नहीं करना है तो मम्मा को बोलो थंब पे लगाएंगी. Put your thumb like this. रेड कलर आ गया. अब इसी रेड कलर के थंब को हमें यहाँ पे भी लगाना है लाइक दिस. ठीक है. नाउ वाइप इट ऑफ. अब इसके साथ हमें कौन सा कलर मिक्स करना है, ब्लू कलर. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, विल टेक दिस ब्लू कलर. अगेन पुट दिस ब्लू कलर ऑन योर थंब. ममा विल हेल्प यू आउट फॉर दिस. अगर आप ऐसे कर सकते हो तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज यू कैन डू विद दिस थंब ऑल्सो. लाइक दिस यू विल अप्लाई ब्लू कलर ऑन योर थंब. Just give a impression here. Again थोड़ा सा लगा के यहाँ पे impression देना है. अब see, you already have this blue color on your thumb, right? अब इसी के ऊपर, इसी thumb पे directly what you can do, apply some red color and mix it. देखो ऐसे mix कर लो इसको and you will get the purple color. See, अब इस purple color को यहाँ पे लगा दीजिए. See now, isn't it more easy? So now these are the two different ways we have done the work. Understood? अब आपको क्या करना है, I have told you how to do. Now apply any of the way like this and you have to complete these two. In this you are going to mix blue with yellow. जब आप blue और yellow को mix करोगे, you will get your green color. Okay? And when you will mix red and green, जब आप red और green को mix करोगे, you will get brown color. Is that clear? So now it's time for you to complete this work and enjoy your creativity. Okay? So kids, I hope you have enjoyed it a lot. Now it's time for you all to finish this work and please don't make a lot of mess. जैसे मैम ने slowly neatly किया है, you have to do it the same way. Yes, parents, please don't do for them. Let them do. Book पे थोड़ा सा dirty भी होगा, it's okay. After all, it's their own book. Let them do it themselves. Okay? So bye for now. Waiting for you to share your work with me on my number. Till then, bye everyone, and yes, we'll be meeting with something new and exciting on Thursday. Take care. Keep yourself safe at home.